All right, traders. Last video of the day and of the evening. Just wanted to get something to you all real quick to kind of put things in perspective for you for the week. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right. So as we look at the daily chart, right, I wanted to bring something to you all's attention. So take a look at this. So we're going to take this fib off of here so you can see it clearly. Then we'll put the fib back on so that we know what the levels look like. So I'm going to take this off real quick. All right, so we don't need all of that. So take a look at this. So this level right here has held up and stood the test of time. I think I told you that, right? So I want you to see something though. So the last time that it came to this level, so look at what it did, right? So it did this, pushed up, right? Got here, pushed right back down. Got here, then pushed right back up. We can almost see the exact same thing playing out on this side, right? Push down, we had that push up. Push down, we had that push up, right? Came up, push down, that push up. All the way up last time, right? On that other push, we came all the way up, right? So basically, and I don't predict the market. That's one thing that I will tell you, that no one, and I mean no one, can predict the market. But what we can do is utilize the skills that we've learned through experience, training, videos, all that good stuff, to analyze the market. And also, so we're gonna analyze the market through technicals, using our candlestick patterns, price action, historical data, right? But we also have to use the fundamentals, right? So fundamentally, you got to look at what's going on in each of these markets. So what's going on in Japan? You know, what is the yen doing? What is that country doing, right? Then you want to look at what's going on with the British pound, right? So what's going on in that country? To kind of give you an idea from a fundamentally standpoint, right? So again, with using all of that and armed with all that knowledge, we see that this support level, this area of supply and demand has held up, right? And the last time, again, we see the patterns using that historical data, right? It's telling you exactly what's going on. So, with that said, we're looking for it to continue to be bullish for the week, right? And we're looking for a good break above this area right here for a continuation to the upside, all right? But let's go even further, all right? So now that you see that, right, what played out on the left will more than likely play out on the right. So think of it in that sense. But look at this. So now we're going back years. What is the market really doing, right? So basically it's been playing in this little area for quite some time, right? It came up, right? Sometime it started making its move sometime mid-year last year. It hit its peak. It hit a peak right here around May, pushed down, started pushing down, pushed right back up. All right, we went a little bit above. All right, in October, pushed down again, came off this same little block right here, and pushed back up. So the expectation is that right now, right, we're looking to make this push up, right? How far it's going to go, you know, what detours it's going to take in between, we can't predict that. We can't predict the continuous pullbacks and stuff. But again, looking at historical data, right, and what's happened on the left, right, we can almost say that for the most part, we're looking to be bullish in this market for the next couple days, at least for the next couple days, right? It can do some consolidation at different points, but for the most part, we're looking, again, to see if it's going to continue up in the uptrend. So what does that mean? That means your biggest moves for the week, more than likely, are going to be running with the bulls. And remember, we don't put any orders in, any trades in, without getting that verification. So make sure you get that verification. So one more thing, I want to look at the monthly real quick, just to take you through this, just so you see exactly what's going on, right? So look, that same level that we talked about, it's held up. It's held up for years. That level has not been broken for years, right? So look at where the market has been playing for years, right? This level, this resistance level has not been broken for years. So the market for the last couple years has been going between this resistance level and this support level. So we take our trades in between that, right? But again, understanding and looking where the market is going, where the market's been, where it's going. Now, if you look though, now take a look at this. I just noticed this. Take a look. It's been bouncing off this little area right here, right? That's this area. This area that we were just looking at. Where is it at? The weekly. Watch it. Bam. That's this area right here. That's this area right here. Right? So basically, we want to look and see if it continues to make a push to the upside out of this area right here. So this is the weekly. So let's look at that again. I'm going to show it to you again in case you missed it. We're going to go to the monthly, right? All right, it's been pushing up. Then it's decided to consolidate in this little area right here, but it's been pushing off of this support right here. It's been pushing off of it for quite some time. And again, represented on the weekly time frame, you can see it a little bit better right there, right? It's been pushing off. All right, we're going to take our way down to the daily, take a look. All right, as always, we're going to put our fib on there, most recent swing low to the most recent swing high, and we're going to keep pushing from there. So as we look and do our top-down analysis, this is what we're looking at. This is what we're looking like, right? So for the week, I'm looking for GJ to be bullish. Bullish for the week, unless something drastic happens, unless somewhere, Japan, JPY, make some big announcement or something that's going to drag this currency down beyond this point, right? Down beyond this point, I'm going to remain bullish. But again, make sure we verify what's going on before we put our trades in, right? We verify what's going on before we put our trades in, and we should be good. Just wanted to share that with you all before I call it a night. Hopefully, you can get in and get some of these pips that's out here. Have a good night.